Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Highlander. If you're in the market for a family SUV that's packed with style, performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Highlander might just be what you're looking for. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the design. The 2026 Highlander continues to build on Toyota's reputation for sleek, modern aesthetics. It boasts a more aggressive front grille with sharper lines, giving it a bold and commanding presence on the road. The sculpted body is complemented by elegant LED headlights and an updated rear end, making it look more refined than ever. And if you look closely, you'll notice the addition of more aerodynamic features, which not only improve its looks but also its fuel efficiency and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Highlander offers multiple powertrain options. You've got the traditional gas engine for those who prefer the tried-and-true V6, providing a smooth and powerful drive. But for those seeking something more eco-friendly, there's the hybrid option, which gives you a perfect balance of power and efficiency, without compromising on performance. With improved handling, an enhanced suspension system, and a comfortable ride, the Highlander is built for both city commutes and weekend getaways. Now, let's step inside. The 2026 Highlander's cabin is a masterclass in comfort and technology. There's a spacious 3-row seating layout, making it ideal for families or groups. The high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and available leather upholstery elevate the experience. Plus, Toyota's updated infotainment system comes with a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system. Whether you're on a long road trip or just running errands, the Highlander keeps everyone connected and entertained. Of course, safety is a big deal in a family SUV, and Toyota doesn't disappoint. The 2026 Highlander comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. With these advanced safety systems, you can have peace of mind every time you're behind the wheel. So, the 2026 Toyota Highlander is more than just a family SUV, it's a perfect blend of style, performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or a road trip-ready vehicle, the Highlander is ready for anything. What do you think of the new Highlander? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. Until next time, take care, drive safe, and keep enjoying the ride.